Hello friends, today I will show you how to get honey in Minecraft. These are the materials you will need. First, you need to find a bee nest. Bee nests can only be found on an oak or birch tree. Keep an eye out for those. Once you find a bee nest, you need to pick it up with Silk Touch pickaxe. You can see the honey level from here by pressing F3. Be sure the bees are inside. Do it in the evening. That's when the bees return to the nest. Now make an enclosure for them like this. Plant some flowers inside. To pick honey, the bee nest needs to be full. When the honey level is up to 5, get the glass bottles and right-click with it on the beehive. Put a campfire below it head so the bees don't get mad. There's your honey. Thanks for watching.